I'd like to start with a big thank you for this event kasi sobrang meaningful siya sa akin. It's not all about the lights, the setting and everything. It's all about you guys. You make this event perfect event. Kasi I know we're sellers, may pinagdadaanan tayo ngayon. It's kind of shaky, diba? Alam natin yun. Yeah, shaky naman siya, but I'm so happy kasi sobrang solid pa rin ng fandom na to. And of course, I would like to thank the people na friends of the showbiz na nakapunta dito. Although, alam ko sobrang traffic, I know, I understand hindi mga nakapunta because of work and traffic. But thank you, thank you. And yun nga, sobrang salamat sa pagmamahal niyo sa akin. And yun nga, may times na sobrang nahihirapan. At sobrang naiinis na tayo sa mga tao. Yung mga sinasabi nila sa akin, sobrang masasakit. Sobrang sakit talaga. Oh my God! Alam mo kayo sa mga sa akin. You guys give me every minute, every tweet na yun na. And I don't want that to happen. Kaya guys, I would like to say na huwag na natin pansinin yun. Just to stop. Just stop it. Like, let's start something new, something fresh.